Hi, I'm Matt Whitecamp.
Hi, I'm Susan Gagliano.
And I'm Lily Santander.
Hello everyone, I'm Tony Forgash. I'm here to let you know you don't have to spend hundreds of dollars to try and get your key fob fixed at a dealership. There's a couple things we can do to try and diagnose the problem. So the first thing, we've all had key fobs, maybe something like this. We're looking at the GMC key fob here. This specific model ranges from 1999 to 2010. Most of us, middle class car, and wide range of years that they made this model. Okay, we've all had key fobs, whether it's this kind or not, that weren't working on us. A couple buttons not working, just didn't go off, not work at all, just completely went out. So what we did was we tried to either throw them away or go get them fixed and paid probably a good amount of money. So first thing you want to do is you're going to replace the battery. That's good, and it does work sometimes, and hopefully that's your problem. But if not, it could be a bad connection problem. Okay, it may seem like a complicated process to work on these key fobs. Not familiar with the internals. So once you check the battery and that's not it, all you got to do is apply a few things for this key fob, and we can see if we can fix the connection problem on it. Okay, please don't go to the dealership right after you realize that the battery's not working. This process can save you up to $250 per key fob. I want you to gather a few supplies, household supplies. You're going to be looking for some heavy duty aluminum foil. The thicker the better. That's going to allow for a better connection with our key fob. And then you're going to get some Elmer's glue. Show you the first thing you're going to do here is you're going to pop off the lid for this fob. It's going to expose the motherboard and the connectors here. I do have a key fob that I've worked on to just kind of show you. There's a little insert here. You can pop this off with your nail, or you can use a coin or a little screwdriver if you want. That's going to expose the motherboard and the connectors. As you can see, I've already replaced the foil on the connectors here. Again, we're going to be looking to replace the foil on the connectors only. Little black dots behind each button. You don't need foil anywhere else. The size doesn't have to be exact. It just needs to cover up the little tiny circle here. So nothing perfect. Anyone can do this. A child could even do it. On UnitedLocksmith.net, they're quoted for saying, fixing a key fob can be as easy as picking up the phone to try and call to get it fixed. So my point is, well, if it's that easy, why would you call to pay someone to fix it, correct? Okay, so once we've applied the foil here, which this is what we're going for, foil on each connector. Once we've done that, we're gonna let it dry for about 20 minutes. Let the glue harden. We don't want no wet stuff on the motherboard here. Once we do that, we're going to reassemble the key fob. It should just click right back into place. Ronald Montoya of Edmunds.com says that depending on the key fob, it could cost $75 to $250 to replace it if you actually get a brand new one or they fix your current one. Okay, so not all key fobs are the same, different types of models of cars, but a lot do resemble this, especially in this generation of key fob here. It's only a few bucks for the supplies if you don't have the aluminum foil. It's $2 to $4, and the glue is $1 if you go to the store. Okay, so once we get it together, it's time to test our final product. I have Mr. Matt Whitecamp here. I was actually able to fix a key fob for him. Matt, if you don't mind me asking you a couple questions?
Yeah, sure.
First thing, what was wrong with your key fob?
A couple of the buttons weren't working at all. And then the other two buttons, it works sometimes. You just can never tell. It's kind of 50-50 on any given day.
Okay, so that makes me kind of think it's not a battery problem if the two buttons do work and the other two don't. Did you replace the battery first?
I did, yeah. I went out and bought a battery, like $5 or something, but even after replacing the battery, it just wasn't working.
Okay, so after I told you I should be able to fix this problem for you, is it working?
Oh yeah, works great.
Okay.
Definitely.
Okay. Now, last thing I want to ask you, just because it is an expensive key fob, were you hesitant on letting me try and fix it for you?
Actually I wasn't. The way you explained to me the process and everything that you were going to do was real simple. It sounded real simple, like anyone could do it. So no, I was pretty happy to let you do it.
All right, no more questions. Thanks, Matt.
Thank you.
So folks, I'm here just to let you know, you can save yourself a bunch of money. You don't have to go to the shop or a contractor for big time fees for just such a small fix. That's it. Thanks.
That's good.
Way better.